What if the person Madam trusted the most is actually the one who can destroy her empire forever? All the Queen's Men Season 5 Episode 3 take the drama to a complete new level. Secrets are exposed, trust is broken, and dangerous enemy continue moving behind the scene. Just when Madam thinks she is getting closer to the truth. Another shocking twist changes everything. Today we are breaking down everything that happened in episode 3, explaining the biggest movement, hidden details, and what this means for the rest of the final season. Make sure you stay until the end because the final scenes may have revealed who is really pulling the string. Welcome back to Screen Time with Azhar. The final season of All the Queen's Men is continuing to deliver exactly what fans expected. Betrayal, power struggle, revenge, and shocking surprise. Episode 3 focuses on the aftermath of the event from the first two episodes. Madam is trying to regain control while her enemies continue attacking from every direction. But what makes this episode special is that it is not just about survival anymore. It's about finding out who can be trusted and who is secretly working against her. Let's break everything down step by step. The episode begins with Madam showing exactly why she remains one of the most feared women in the series. Even after everything she has been through, she refuses to show weakness. While after people believe her empire is falling apart, Madam is already planning her next move. Throughout the episode, we see her carefully analyzing everyone around her. Every conversation feels like an interrogation. Every meeting feels like a test. Madam understands that somebody close to her may be hiding important information. Instead of reacting emotionally, she begins gathering evidence and watching people more closely. This creates a tense atmosphere because viewers knows that one wrong move could lead to another betrayal. One of the biggest themes of episode 3 is loyalty. The people around Madam are beginning to feel pressure from every direction. Some are afraid, some are angry, and some may be looking for opportunities to protect themselves before everything collapses. Several conversations throughout the episode hint that not everyone is committed to Madam's vision anymore. This creates cracks inside the organization. The problem of Madam is that enemies outside her empire are dangerous, but enemies inside her empire are even worse. As the episode progresses, trust becomes more valuable than money or power, and that's exactly why the situation becomes so dangerous. A major part of episode 3 focus on finding answer. Questions from previous episode continue to grow. Who planned the attack? Who benefits if Madam loses control? Who is secretly working behind the scene? The writer do a great job building suspense. Every clue creates new questions. Every answer creates new mysteries. Viewers are constantly led in different directions. At one point, it feels obvious who is responsible. Then a new piece of information changes everything. The uncertainty keeps fans guessing throughout the entire episode. Another important storyline involves the relationship between key characters. The pressure of recent events is affected everyone emotionally. Old friends are tested. Long-standing alliances become unstable. People who once trusted each other completely now question every word being spoken. The emotional conflict is what makes episode 3 feels different from the typical crime drama. The danger is not only physical, the danger is psychological. Characters are struggling to determine who deserves their loyalty. And sometimes that uncertainty is more painful than any direct attack. As we move toward the final part of the episode, the tension reaches another level. A major revelation changes how viewers see the entire situation. Without giving away every detail, the episode strongly suggests that the real threat may be much closer than expected. This twist forces Madam to reconsider everything. The people she trusted, the decision she made, and the enemy she believed she understood. The revelation does not solve the mystery completely. Instead, it makes the mystery even bigger. And that's exactly why fans are already discussing theories online. The ending of episode 3 is designed to leave viewers with more questions than answers. Madam realizes that the battle ahead is much larger than she originally believed. Her enemies are organized, They are patient and they seem to know more about her plan than they should. The final scene suggests that somebody within her circle may be providing information. If that's true, then the bigger danger is not outside the empire, it's inside. The ending also set up several major storylines that will likely become important in episode 4. Madam now faces a difficult decision. Should she continue trusting the people around her, or should she start treating everyone as a suspect? That question may determine the future of her entire empire. Looking ahead, episode 4 could be one of the most important episodes of the season. We expect more investigation into the conspiracy, new battles from unexpected character, Madam becoming more aggressive, hidden secrets finally become exposed, a major confrontation that changes the direction of the final season. And if episode 3 is any indication, the drama is only getting started. So that's our full breakdown of all the Queen's Men season 5 episode 3. What did you think about this episode? Who do you believe is secretly working against Madam? And what are your predictions for episode 4? Let me know in the comment below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notification for more All the Queen's Men breakdowns every week. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.